Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Tuesday, November the 20th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. And this is a link to get into our 100% free room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. This is a link for a subscription. There is a 15% promo code. That promo code will get you 15% off the first month of a standard or premium subscription, only the first month, or the entire year of a standard or premium subscription. Sorry, I'm in a trade. I'm just having to watch it a little bit. I open the room at 9 o'clock Eastern Time every day, and I go to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays, 3 o'clock on Fridays. Of course, this is a short week. Tomorrow's the last day. Thursday is a holiday, and I will open the room. It's a half day on Friday. I will open the room on Friday. Of course, the market is closed on Thursday, though. So let me just quickly get to some of the things that I did. Now, actually, it was a very choppy day for me. And witness, I'm going to show you Holly today. Holly really was showing us, for most people, that it wasn't a great day to trade. Of course, anecdotally, there are always some great trades. I get it. But overall, what Holly was showing me anyway, is that this was a bit of a difficult day. So I actually took this trade here on a short originally. This has nothing to do with Holly. Took this trade on a short, got in at 696. It did move down to about 690, but then as it popped up, I got out of the trade with a 6-cent loss, 702, and then I reversed and I went long on this one at 721. Turned into a very nice percentage move for me. It got up to, I didn't trade it all the way up there, 747. My average, I took some out right here at 732 and here at 743. So that turned out to be a really nice trade. In the room, I basically said, you know what, guys, this might turn into a nice reversal trade. And that's exactly what it did. This is the one I'm in right now, just before I started this video. CLVS. It looked pretty interesting. Somebody asked me why I took it. First of all, Dusty in the room, one of our great traders, he alerted us to this one, and I ended up taking this trade right here, actually right here, 1724, and I probably should have taken some of the pop out, but I'm going to hold on a little bit. Has some room on the daily chart. Just take a look at it. Well, a lot of room actually on the daily chart. So anyway, I'm in that one, and so I'm just keeping an eye on that one. Obviously, I'd love to see it to start to accelerate a little higher. Today was a very strange day on the SPY. You know, this is the, well, not the daily. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. I'm sort of racing through this. I know. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to back into the room here. Look at this is the pre-market, and then look at this dump, and then a big rally. If you look at, shoot, I don't have it. Actually, let me see if I can just drag it out. You're going to see that so many, just got to find the, just give me a second here while I find it, the gappers. Okay, so this is what was happening. Now, Look at all the green and blue, the blue and green at the very beginning of the day. That signifies going long, okay? These are stocks making new highs. Look what was happening. Gap down and reverse, gap down and reverse, gap down and reverse, over and over and over again. Now, a lot of the same symbols. But believe me, if I showed my other one that has the don't repeat, so it only shows the symbol the first time, so many stocks did the gap down and reverse just because of this. You see what was happening here. In fact, this was actually starting to happen right around here. It's funny. A lot of them were actually starting almost ahead of time. But the gap down and reverse, so what does it mean? It means it's stocks that have gapped down and then are starting to reverse. This got absolutely filled up. I mean, look at all the blue, green. Again, these are all stocks then making new highs. I mean, you have to go a long way until you find one that actually gapped down and kept going down. I don't know if Fossil kept that, but it doesn't really matter. You know, so that gapped down and it kept gapping down a little bit, but that was a very strange day. You know, typically we might see more something like that when it's earnings season. You have maybe 1,000 companies releasing earnings in a week. Hardly any companies releasing earnings. This was just a market gap down, and then a lot of stocks were recovering all day long. And my one that I tried to I did take it, BSX. Took this one right around here. I got chopped out of it, and then look what it did afterwards. And that happened early on the gap down. So I want to get back in the room. I know this has been a very quick one. I just want to actually show you what I'm talking about with Holly, though. See, I always sort on the risk on profit percent. Hardly anything in Holly Grail is up. Hardly anything. This is starting to move a little bit. This one a little bit. 2%. And this actually, I have to take a look at this one when I get back into the room. This actually is in both Holly 2.0 and Holly Neo. But before then, there was nothing actually over 1% in anything. And typically, when I sort on that column, typically we'll see a few that are up 6, 8, 10, sometimes even higher. So there wasn't a lot of action today. Except I'm going to have to take a look at that, maybe that triple IV, see what's oh, this is on a short too. This is a short. But anyway, I want to get back into the room and see what's happening. I want to obviously watch my Clovis. Clovis is now starting to work very nicely. I'm in at 1725, so I'd like to see it take up that high out and just proceed. All right, everybody. Again, I know I sort of whipped through this, but today was not a great day, especially if you're not an experienced trader. There were things happening, of course, but just witness the way Holly was trading, and she wasn't finding a big statistical edge today. Okay, so tomorrow again is the last full day of trading for this week. The markets close on Thursday, and I will open the room Friday morning. Remember, it's only a half day trading those, but I will open the room. So I just want to bring back the capture program, and remember, this is the email address you can use to ask me any questions. This is a link to get into the free trading room. This is a link for a subscription, a 15% off promo code right there. And I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I hope everybody has a great evening. Bye-bye.